Alright guys, so we're gonna show you how to do a few things in this video. First things first, we're gonna create a new profile. This is for anyone that doesn't want to deal with the hassle of using the same profile on different versions of the game, because you will be switching between the two. Um, as we are on 150 beta, not on 149. So what we're gonna do is boot up the game, go up to manage profiles here on this main screen, which is right here. Manage profiles. Then you're gonna create a new profile and fill all this stuff out how you want. Hit create. When you're done, make sure up here it has your new profile. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and quit the game. We're gonna bring up Steam. Bring Steam right here. All right. Your new profile on ATS already, right? So you're gonna right click on ATS, go to properties, then open up betas here in this little box. Go betas. Under beta participation, there's a little drop arrow right here. Okay, click on that, and you're gonna look for experimental beta 150 or 1.50. That's the one you want. Click on that and hit this X up here. It's gonna start to automatically download right down here. It's gonna, it'll show you it's downloading. Um, Once that's done, you're gonna right click on ATS once again, go to properties, bring this window up. You're gonna go to installed files and hit the browse button here. This here is going to take you straight to your ATS root directory. Okay. Now there's 3 folders in here. The top one, bin, is the one we want. Click on that. You got 2 folders in here. Win-x64 and Win-x86. We're going to do it for both in case you don't know which bit version your computer is. Inside the x64 folder, you're going to left click one time the AM Trucks application just to highlight it. You're not going to open it, just highlight it. Then right click and hit delete. You're going to do the same thing in the x86. Well, I don't have mine in there, but x86 is going to be the same thing, right? Then you're going to come over here to the Discord, left lane Discord. And let me get rid of this. Okay. Left lane Discord. And you want the left lane Mega V4 underscore 2. You're going to want that. So you're going to click on this. Visit site. What it's going to do is bring up a web browser, just like this. You're going to have some advertisements. You're going to have multiple download, buttons and whatnot. Don't click any of, the advertisements or any of that. You want this blue one that's inside this gray box that says left lane Mega V4 too. Okay. Click download, and up here in your, it'll start downloading somewhere. It should give you an indication somewhere up here that it's downloading. Okay. And go ahead and close out of that. After that, you want the temp hotfix. You want to click on that one. Visit site. That one's going to automatically start downloading. Okay. And then after that, you want the 150 underscore hotfix. You want that hotfix as well. So download that one. Okay, that one's going to automatically start downloading for you. You can run optional skins. You can run optional, like the GPS, well, Morgan Freeman GPS voiceover. You can run that. Don't run any optional trucks, trailers, or parts. It's not allowed in the server. It does cause conflict, so don't do it. Skin files, little shit, interior details, some interior details. I can't say all. Some of them you can run. Okay, if you don't know for sure, always ask in the general chat of the Discord. Someone will answer you. Okay. All right. Now once you have them files done, downloaded there, if I can move this, would be great. Gonna go into your downloads folder here. Okay. And then in your Win64, your root directory folder, you're gonna take your AM trucks that you downloaded from the Discord. Okay. We're gonna say this temp hotfix. It's the AM trucks. You're gonna right click, hit cut. Go into your Win64. Right click in the background. It could be black, white, whatever your color is, and hit paste. Okay. So that's going to reinstall the AM trucks application. Okay. You can do that for the x86 as well. Right click, hit paste. Okay. If it doesn't give you the paste option, since you already pasted it in the x64, just copy it again. Copy, go to x86, paste. Okay. Alright, so this folder here, once you're done with that, we don't need this folder. Okay. What we do need is the mods folder. So you're going to go into documents. Okay. You got quick access. If you're on Windows 10, I'm not sure what it looks like on Windows 11, but just find your documents folder. You want to find ATS, American Truck Sim, and then mod. Okay. If you do not have a mod folder, you can create one. Right click in the background area, hit new folder, and then just rename it MOD, all lowercase. And in this mod folder, you're going to take the two hotfixes and the mega mod pack. You're just going to, you know, highlight them. You can drag and drop, move them into your mod folder, or you can right click on them, hit cut, and then paste them into your mod folder. Okay. Make sure you're not pasting them onto another file. If you do have files in here, make sure you're clicking on the background to paste them. Okay. Now, we're going to boot up. Oh, we don't need this here. We're going to boot up ATS. Once you have all that done, you can close them folders. We're going to boot up ATS. Alright. Let 150, the new update, let it boot up. All you have to do is boot the game up. Okay. While we're here, we're going to go into Mod Manager. If it's not going to freeze, that'd be great. And input your Mega Mod and the two hotfixes in this order. Okay. Mod order is a big thing. Gotta pay attention to that one there. So left lane Mega Mod 2 goes on the bottom. The temp hotfix, and then the 150 hotfix above the temp hotfix. Hit confirm changes or save changes, and then we're gonna quit the game. Now that we 150 booted, we got it loaded up and everything. It created a new config file. Okay, so we're gonna show you how to get into the config file. If you do not run Notepad++, you can do it in your regular Notepad. We're gonna go into our documents folder one more time. Okay, we're going to go into American Truck Simulator. And inside American Truck Simulator, you're going to see a CFG file named config. Okay, you're going to right click on it, open with, and do Notepad. You can open it in Notepad, or you can open it in Notepad++, whichever's work. Okay. And down here, I believe it's line 28. Yeah. So down here, you're going to look for something that says G max convoy size, or G underscore max underscore convoy underscore size. And it's going to have the number 8 in between these two brackets here. Okay. You're going to change that 8 into 128. Okay. Now, if you don't see this line, G max convoy size 8, you can add it. Okay. So under the G forms here, the usets here, just hit the enter key, put in uset G underscore max underscore convoy underscore size bracket, and then do 1 2 bracket. And then you're gonna save it. Hit file, you save. Okay. If you hit save, it'll put it right into the folder there. But to be, I'm gonna actually take mine because I don't want to have two on here. All right, there we go. Save as a copy, right? Navigate back to your documents, ATS. Make sure it says config. Hit save. Okay, and we're gonna close this out. All right, now we're gonna boot up ATS once more. We're gonna go to continue game. Now that you have all your mods active and all that, hit continue game. We're gonna go to convoy, set up the filters, look for the server, should be good to go. Real simple, real easy. Now, if this is your first time doing this, it will take a minute for the game to load, okay? So be patient. If it freezes or anything like that, wait for it to respawn. Don't click on anything, don't, click on anything in the game, okay? It will freeze it, it'll make it, not respond and all that. You might have to force close it by then and reboot it. Just be patient, let it do its thing, and you'll be all right. All right. So we're gonna go to convoy lobby. In your advanced filters, you want to make sure session with mods and session with optional mods is checked. And to be safe, session type, you're gonna put it as dedicated server. Okay. This will eliminate a lot of issues with finding the server. Sometimes it'll show up if you don't have this checked. Sometimes it will. Just easier, just set it as dedicated and be done with it. Okay. Hit apply, hit save, hit OK. It'll be right here at the top. Hit join convoy or activate session mods and then join convoy and you're good to go. If you guys have any more questions, need any help, there is a help channel here in the Discord. It's underneath support. It's all the way at the top of the channel list. Hit support. Click on that test channel. There's a red button here. Click on that. Open ticket. What it's going to do, going to open a ticket down here. Number with your name. Click on that. Type out your problem. Here, we're just going to do this. Yeah, so that's that. Appreciate y'all. We'll hopefully see you in there. Happy trucking.